Visitors in Canada. There is an alarming trend that is emerging nowadays. There are 86,725 visitors now account for 75% of all asylum claims filed in Canada between January and August 2024. 5,570 visitors spent over 6 months exploring options to stay permanently in Canada before eventually filing for asylum. Coming to Canada as a temporary resident permit holder or visitor's visa. If you want to change your tourist visa status to work permit, please, there's no shortcut. You always have to go through work permit, then obtain or accumulate experience in order for you to be able to apply for permanent residency. Not unless you get married with someone and sponsor you, then you could be able to apply a permanent residency right away without English exam, without educational background, and without any experience. However, you need proof that your relationship with your sponsor is genuine. Asylum. As an immigration consultant, please do not apply for asylum if you think that you are not qualified for that. Seeking asylum is not a shortcut to get around normal immigration rules and procedures. There must be legitimate reason why asylum is necessary or it won't be granted. Canada respects its international obligations toward those who genuinely need help and protection. However, we must also make sure that all laws are followed to protect the safety, security, and health of Canadians. Asylum claimants face a rigorous process to determine whether or not they have a legitimate claim according to Canadian and international laws. IRCC rules-based system will determine the validity of your claim. You will be removed from Canada if you do not have a legitimate claim or are not eligible to make a claim in Canada. Again, everyone, please do not apply for asylum if you know that you are not qualified. For asylum seekers, it is only needed when you need the protection in Canada while changing your tourist visa to work permit or permanent residency. You don't want to lose your opportunity to get that permanent residency except for that asylum. Once you were denied from the asylum application, you're gonna be sent home, you don't want to be deported, and you can never come back to Canada. Every Filipino, foreign nationals, or tourist visa holders out there, I would like to ask you, please, these are your options that you can do to protect yourselves. Do not apply for an asylum application if you know you are not qualified, if you know that you don't need that protection in Canada. Second thing, do not engage in buying LMIA in order for you to change your tourist visa to work permit. It will gonna come back to you, it will gonna bite you back. Immigration system nowadays are using artificial intelligence in order for them to detect the misrepresentations and any kind of unscrupulous situation.